This earnings season, it feels like every stock has gone up at least 10%. And as somebody who does like to get a bit of a discount on their stocks, this does make me a bit sad. But I'd be lying if there isn't a little part of me that gets a little happy when I make $400 a day for doing nothing. But in today's video, I'll be going over 3 dividend stocks that I still find at good value even after earnings. Let me know in the comments section what earnings report really, caught you off guard this earnings season. Me personally, I thought Intel was going down 10%, instead it went up 10%. With all that said, if you're new to the channel, my name's Ryan, I'm 16 years old, soon to be 17 in literally a week. If you enjoy content like this, please subscribe for my birthday present, that's all I want. Really would mean a lot to me. Make sure to smash the like button while you're at it. Join the Discord, it's all free, link in the description, and of course, roll the intro.
Hello, I like money.
The first dividend stock, and I think it's kind of obvious that I'm still really bullish on after earnings, is Microsoft. Microsoft was the one company this week that I really didn't want to go up because I'm getting a lot of money next week for my birthday and I really want to buy into the company. Currently, Microsoft is one of my largest holdings, but I still want to buy more because it's that great of a company. And with the release of Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, I'm even more bullish on this company when they acquire Activision Blizzard at the end of the year. Currently, Microsoft is trading a P/E ratio of 24.72. I think this is great value for the quality of a company that Microsoft is. The stock's kind of been a roller coaster over the last month, but overall it's just been flat. Personally, I'm buying this stock whenever it's below $250, and I'm really going to try to target it heavy at these prices. Microsoft's dividend growth is crazy. They just increased their dividend 10%. And during times like these, if Microsoft is increasing their dividend like that, I'm very confident in the company itself. As for the actual earnings of Microsoft, they did beat the earnings expectations as per usual. They beat their EPS by 4 cents, and they beat their revenue by $435 million. And for Microsoft, $435 million is pocket change. But the stock is mainly trading down and flat over the last couple days. This is because they lowered their guidance, but over the long term, I think Microsoft will be just fine. Now to look at Microsoft's dividend. Their dividend yield right now is actually pretty good at 1.15%. Their payout ratio is really good at 27.37%. They've been growing their dividend for 17 straight years, and their 5-year CAGR is 9.71%, which I think they definitely could do more. But I'm definitely not complaining, and to add to that, they also do share buybacks. Microsoft is probably the favorite company of mine to invest in just because of how strong a company they are. Make sure to join the Discord, link in the description, because next week, don't be surprised if I buy $500 worth of Microsoft. The next stock is pretty trash, which is Waste Management, stock ticker WM. No, literally, it's a trash company. Alright guys, I'm no Uncle Cody when it comes to jokes, but make sure to smash the like button if you enjoyed that. Waste Management is, in my opinion, one of the most recession-proof companies in the world. They're currently trading at $157.91. They have a PE ratio of 27, which I think is fair. Waste Management, like Microsoft, beat their earnings expectations. They beat their EPS by 4 cents, and they beat their revenue by $17.81 million. The reason their stock is down, though, is because their free cash flow took a hit this quarter. This is because they're reinvesting into some sustainability project for their company. Overall, they're just reinvesting the money. But the people on Wall Street don't seem to understand that's how business works and that you need to reinvest money to grow a business. The stock was down about 4%, which is a lot for Waste Management. This is a stock I really should own more of. I only own 1 share at the moment and definitely will buy more in the future. They have a very solid dividend of a yield right now of 1.65%. A payout ratio of 45.5%, a 5-year CAGR of 8.43%, which is solid, and dividend growth over the last 18 years. If Waste Management's sustainability project tells us anything, the stock is very sustainable. I think I need to make a concentrated effort to make this a staple in my portfolio because it's that strong of a company in my opinion as well. And I definitely will and should buy some Waste Management soon. The only thing holding me back right now, the stock just doesn't go down a lot, contrary to like Apple and Microsoft and Starbucks, which are some of my core holdings, the stock just doesn't fall at all. Maybe that's just a sign for me to buy in, I don't know. And lastly, we got 3M stock. 3M, you guys already know the story. It's been getting pounded recently. Right now, 3M has a PE ratio of 12.39. Unlike the other two stocks that I've shown on the list, 3M's actually been up this month 11%. 3M has been facing some really serious lawsuits with their earplugs. As for 3M's earnings, they actually beat again this quarter. They missed their revenue, but they beat their EPS. But investors are still kind of worried about how they're going to deal with this lawsuits in the future. As for the dividend, again, not great growth recently. Only a 5-year growth rate of 5.12%, payout ratio of 60%, and a dividend yield of 4.71%. 63 years of dividend growth, though. But I wouldn't expect to see huge dividend growth from 3M from now on. I want to thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. It really means a lot. Again, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe for my birthday. Let me know which of these 3 stocks you're the most bullish on. Show them the Discord link in the description. And guys, it is November next week, so do I whip out the Christmas intro? I don't know, guys. Let me stay safe this weekend, guys. Happy Halloween. And of course, do Dividend Stocks, not drugs. Have a good one.